Look what I got. Unboxing coming up next. Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I am excited to do an kind of sort of unboxing. It's an unboxing if I've already opened it. So I received my package from Black Girl Vitamins, and I've seen other YouTubers and some of my subscribers that have received their Black Girl Vitamins. So what had happened was I was watching one of my subscribers' video ads, okay, and you know how the ads do, especially the good ones. They reel you in and take your money. But this time I was loving it because I hear so much about Black Girl Vitamins, and I've always said I wanted to try it out, so they got me. They got me. The ads got me. So this is it. It comes in this bag. You know, of course, they have the packaging here. Okay. And when you open it, it's this Black Girl Vitamins. I was so excited, like a kid in a candy store, because I had just ran out of my actual multivitamins I had been taking, and I said, you know what, right on time, because it's time for me to order some more vitamins. So I did, and they happened to have a really good special, so catch that deal. It was, okay, I'm gonna show you everything I got. So everything came in this bag, and the first thing, we'll just go over, actually the first one I pulled out is the hair, skin, and nails vitamin. Yes, so I was immediately attracted to that when I saw this was a part of the special. So I was like, that's the one. So it says, when women take care of their health, they become their best friend. Maya Angelou. There's a quote. This is so awesome. And it felt good buying it. So you take 2 gummies daily, or as directed by healthcare for professional. But yeah, Black Girl Vitamins, hair, skin, and nails, support healthy hair, skin, and nails, dietary supplement. We haven't talked about supplements yet on the channel, but the only supplements that I take are just my regular multivitamins. So adding this along with it will be awesome. And I tried opening, y'all. It's gonna take me forever to try. I got some scissors, but I'm pretty sure it's good. So the next thing I got was once a day. The previous vitamins I was taking was women's once a day, and then there was some other vegan vitamins that I kind of tried out for a bit. But this one is the Black Girl Vitamins once a day. Okay, so they have different types of flavors. This one is orange, cherry, and strawberry. Yeah, I know that's gonna be good. So it comes with 60 vitamins, and it says also that it's enriched with vitamin D3. Supposedly Black women are, well, not all Black women, I guess, but for the majority, or on average, we are low or deficiency in vitamin D3. So it's good to know that this here is enriched with vitamin D3 is what it says. So the next vitamin I got with the special, actually vitamin D3. They want to make sure you got your vitamin D3. So I know that vitamin D3 is important. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen if I can, but it does, it makes a lot of difference in your mood, in your, if you're having aches and pains and stuff like that. If you're deficient in vitamin D3, this should help with that. But it's several different benefits. I'm gonna throw it on the screen. High potency vitamin D. So this is peach, mixed berry, and strawberry flavored. 60 gummies in this one. So each one has 60 gummies. So that's awesome. And I spent $93 for all. Tax and shipping also, all that was included. Next thing I got with this particular promo package, probiotics. Yeah. So Black Girl Vitamins probiotics, strawberry flavored, also 60. And we know what probiotics are good for, right? It's good for digestion. Oh, so there's different quotes for each bottle. Okay, so this one says, when Black women win victories, it is a boost for virtually every segment of society. Angela Davis. That is so neat how they have a quote for each bottle. The once a day one says, Black women have unique vitamin needs that are not always addressed by the one-size-fits-all vitamins. We have created a multivitamin blend for everyday use that cater to our needs. Melanin Magic. That's what that says, okay? And let's see what the hair, skin, and nail says. Okay, that was that quote from Maya Angelou. Yeah, so that says the same thing that the other one says. Okay, so this one is the last and not least, we have the sea moss. And it's also 60 capsules, and it's all natural, made with Irish moss, bladderwrack, burdock, and black pepper. Okay. And so this quote says, you may not control all the events that happen to you, but you can decide not to be reduced by them. Maya Angelou. Okay. So yeah, I'm so excited about the sea moss. Sea moss has very, very good benefits. I know it has about 92 minerals and nutrients and vitamins in it. So I'm excited about sea moss. Actually, I used to make my own sea moss, but I haven't done it in a minute and it's not convenient. So just having it in a capsule is actually awesome. So I'm looking forward to it. So yeah, actually I got something else, y'all. I guess this is the freebie. Let me see. I thought I had, there was like a little paper. So, free iron gum. Okay, so this is a freebie. So, y'all, look at this. Iron gummies. They making sure you covered with vitamins, that's for sure. Iron gummies. So it says dietary supplement, healthy pregnancy, I'm trying to get pregnant. No. Okay. Healthy pregnancy, immune system, cognitive function. Oh, I need that. Increase energy levels. That too. So iron gummies, this is gonna come in handy. So this is like a little sample size, you only get 2. So this is awesome, this is a really good deal. So just to let you know, the name of the deal I got was Complete Wellness Essentials. It's a special, you get everything that I just described. Probiotics, once a day vitamins. Well, those are actually, everything is gummies except for the sea moss, I'm sorry. Hair and nails vitamins, which I'm excited about. The D3 and the sea moss. Okay, so each of these have 60 in them and I spent $93. I also got a freebie and that's the iron gummies. Again, that's the Complete Wellness Essentials package. It's a special package that they were offering on that advertisement I was watching. And that long advertisement reeled me on in. I'm not sure if I don't remember which subscriber's video I was watching, but y'all got me. Hopefully they paid you real good. And you got some really good ad revenue on that video. Cause they got me, girl, they got me. But I'm glad they did because I've been curious about trying Black Girl Vitamins. I'm excited about it, I can't wait. And I have already opened this one and I'm gonna tell you something, delicious. I mean, it's not something to eat, but it tastes really good. It had a really nice taste to it. Once a day flavor that I got is the orange, cherry, and strawberry, and it was actually good. And I could taste all of it. I can taste the orange, I can taste the cherry, and the strawberry. It was just very flavorful. Not too much, it's not too sweet. It was just right. I can't wait to try the passion fruit And this is the hair skin. Let me see if I can get this open for you. Hold on 1 second. Let me get some scissors. Okay, y'all. I done bit it and pulled and tagged it. I don't know if they want us to open it because it was a struggle. So I got me some handy dandy scissors. Well, I guess it's good for safety reasons to make sure that it's protected and not easily get open and damaged and things. So thank you, Black Girl Magic. I mean, Black Girl Vitamins. See, that's why I need that cognitive function. I just got off of work, y'all, so pray for me. All right, so this is passion fruit, and this happened to be the hair, skin, and nails, and this is a hair channel. So, oh, and look at my hair, y'all. This is what I did today. Basically a side. See, it's been a day at work, so you know. But I got some compliments. But this escaped out of the bunch that was in here. Y'all getting a real. It's okay. It'll be all right. Y'all love me anyway. So the Black Girl Vitamins is what I'm trying to try out. It has the extra seal, which is good, making sure it's fresh. The hair, skin, and nails, and it says suggested use 2 gummies daily, or as directed by a healthcare professional. So I'm just gonna do one since I already had a one. I don't know how that goes. Hopefully I can take all of these at, I don't know, maybe not all at one time, but you know, spread it out. So I know I'll take the probiotics. Probably have to take this with a meal, the once a day. Maybe I'll take those 2 together. And then later I'll take maybe the D3 and the hair, skin, and nails. So we'll try it out for the sake of the video, and I'll try it while I'm on the video so you can get my actual real reaction. I'm gonna need some water. But this is, you know how when you put something sour in your mouth, it's kind of tangy a little bit. But then you get the sweetness. Just right, not too sweet, not too tangy. But it's good, y'all. I'm happy. Passion fruit. Tastes pretty good. So this is a hair, skin, and nails. I'm trying to see if they had like a write-up on. So basically it just lets you know what vitamins, mostly vitamin A, C, D, and E, vitamin B6, B12, and it's 4 grams of sugar. Is that good? At least it's not 10 grams. So that's not bad. I'm only gonna take it once a day. Although it says you can take 2 gummies a day. I'm just gonna take 1. I'm gonna start off like that since this is new. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all what I got. I was so excited. I got my Black Girl Vitamins. All of them were just worth every penny. I'm so excited to try them all out. Y'all check them out. I know y'all probably see, hopefully y'all might see an advertisement on it. Check it out. They have different packages and different other specials, I believe. This is the one I chose, the wellness one. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Healthy hair and healthy mind, body, soul intertwined. Know your worth and take the lead. Shine so bright you can't deceive.